All right, pudding is cooked. It's doing its thing, almost ready to go. The pakoras, super nice and crispy, cool, refreshing salad done, chicken's in the oven. So while you were gone, I just got some beautiful fragrant mint leaves, chopped up some jalapeno, cut a lime, so let's make a chutney. Chutneys are used all over India, and there's so many different types of chutneys. You can have tomato chutneys, you can have fruit chutneys, but my favorite is a mint chutney. So lots of mint, lots of cilantro. I know I'm gonna put it in the food processor, but just to ease up on it a little bit, just like to chop up the herbs, and then it gets really nice and smooth and green. And this chutney is all about freshness, all about big bursts of flavor, a good couple squeezes of lime. It already smells so good, and it's a great dipping sauce for the pakoras. Anytime you make pakoras, you've got to make the mint chutney. All right, let's do this. This is the first thing into the food processor. So in you go. And then the base of this is yogurt. So lots of fresh, vibrant herbs. And then you need something to work it all in together. A little bit of yogurt. Yogurt's nice and tangy as well. There's a little bit of acidic kick in it. It's perfect in the chutney. And then you want it flavorful. It's all about the cooling factor, but it's all about the taste. And again, with some ginger. It's just a staple in Indian cooking. Get it out of the freezer and just grate some of that ginger in there. Look at it. It's like ginger snow. Yeah, get lots of ginger in there. Perfect. And then just to balance it, 1 shot of sugar. Hit it! Ready? Wabam! Mint chutney. That smells so cooling and refreshing. And it's great when you're eating some spicy food. I put this stuff on everything, on the pakoras, on the chicken, some in the salad. Look at that. It's just such a great texture. It smells so good.